They are 375 million-year-old mistake your body keeps making. Your diaphragm suddenly contracts. You inhale sharply. Your vocal cords snap shut. Hiccup. Scientists believe this reflex originally helped ancient fish pump water through their gills. It worked perfectly in fish. Then fish evolved into land animals, into mammals, into you. The gill reflex became useless, but the nerve pathway stayed, wired directly into your brainstem. The longest recorded case of hiccups lasted 68 years. A man named Charles Osborne hiccuped an estimated 430 million times. Your body is still running code from when your ancestors breathed underwater, and there is nothing you can do to delete it. What's your weirdest hiccup cure? Drop it.